How can my whole team contribute to one task list? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets, and then we'll be taking the details of that spreadsheet and using them to create a task in Google Tasks. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. So this is going to be Sheets to Tasks. And I'm going to select my trigger, which is going to be in Google Sheets. And we are going to choose New Spreadsheet Row as our triggering event. I'll make sure I'm connected to Google. If you have any questions about logging into your Google account, check out the link to the blog in the description. The spreadsheet that I want this trigger to monitor is my task list spreadsheet and sheet 1. So every time this specific spreadsheet has a new row added, that's going to initiate my workflow. I'm going to test the trigger, and we have some information here in our spreadsheet. So we're going to turn that into a task. So if anybody in my team updates that spreadsheet, it'll create a task for the specific person who needs to accomplish it. This will be in Tasks, Google Tasks. We're going to create a task. The task list that I want to add this task to is my tasks. The title is going to come from our trigger, and that is hole in the ground. And the notes are going to contain most of the other information. So it's going to be the description of the task. I'm going to put contact, and that's going to be the person who created this task with their name and their email. And then I'm going to put priority. And then the due date was there as well. So I'm going to click continue and test my action. We have a success. So I can click continue here. We'll check over on Google Tasks, and you can see the hole in the ground task with the description and the contact and the priority were all added, as well as the due date. So it looks like our workflow is working properly. We've got a green dot in each one of our nodes. So we can activate our workflow, and now every time that specific spreadsheet has a new row added to it, the details will be converted into a task in Google Tasks. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that will turn a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets directly into a task. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any suggestions for future videos or questions you might have about the content. You should also like this post and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.